Hello everyone and welcome back to our PLC structured text training series. And in previous lesson we discussed about the ST language, and we also learned how to PLC work internally during startup and program execution. In this lesson we will talk about the comments, and because the comments are a very important part of structured text and for all programming language, and they help to engineer and programmer to understand the logic of program, to simplify troubleshooting and to future modification of the code. And in ST language there are two main types of comment. First, the line comment, we use the double slash, this one, like this is the line comment. And the second one is the block comments. We use it for the long explanation, multi-line comments, or disable the several lines of code at once. And we use the like this. This is multi-line comments, and close it. And the next topic is the topic about the data types. Just like other programming language, ST programming language also provide many different data types, which include both elementary and complex data types. And what is the data types? Data types is define how much memory capacity is needed by the variable value, and you can define if this variable use the large memory or the small memory. And my friend, I want to explain what happened in memory when you declare the variable, and we want to paint. And for example, when you write for example motor start, and you declare variable and its type, and assign the true for this variable, and how your PLC is allocate the memory for this variable. We have the memory, and it has the address. For example, it has address like this. It's example, simple example. Let's use our comments of address. And then our compile or our PLC or our operation system of PLC takes this value and store in this address, and of course it's converted to 1 or 0 if you use the false instead of true. convert to 1 and store. Or save. And at the next step, when you use the motor, motor start, the operation system then request this address and take the value which stored at this address and return to you the value 1 or the true. It's also convert. It's also check the type of your variable, and then if it's necessary, it's the operation system converted to 1 or 0 if you used false. And in the ST language we have several types of the data types. First of all, it's a bool type. It's a bool. In a numeral system we say the boolean, false or true, and it's used 1 bit for store the values. The second one is byte. It's used 8 bits, and numeral system is hex, and we write like this 0 to 16 50 FF. And the next one which we used is the word. It's also it's a numeral system is a binary, and it's used 60 bits. It's the 2 bytes, and it starts from the 2. Sorry. This 2 means that we use the binary system, and this 16 means that we use the hexagonal system. From 0 to 2 in the binary system. Let me think. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. And it must be 16th, 1 or 0. It's a higher value in this word data type. My friends, today I will not explain all PLC data types one by one, because I want to move to practical programming as quickly as it possible. And as you continue learning, we will faced with a different type of data types during the real example. And I also recommend that you study the data types yourself. And next one is our complex data types, and it's the complex data types, or sometimes you can hear that the different name of these data types is the user-defined data types. The first of them is the enum. The next one is array and the structure. And step by step we will closely faced with this type of variable, and you understand more clearly about it in our future practical example. And alright friends, that's all for today. I will try to move to practical programming as quickly as possible so that we can learn PLC programming together through the real example and exercise. Thank you for watching this lesson, and I wish you happiness, good health and success in your learning journey. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a like. See you in the next lesson, and goodbye everyone.